Hello and thanks for checking out TheChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. Sign up for a 1-week free trial, no credit card required, for access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. PCLN NVDA TSLA NFLX CMG daily weekly time frame. So PCLN, I keep saying it day after day, but it's in a range that I don't like. I don't like it in either direction here. You can see the upper wicks, the lower wicks, the back and forth. And we're just watching right now 1836 and 1883 and waiting for some direction relative to those levels. We got the middle Bollinger Band and the 100-day moving average pinching together. Those are closing in on each other. So by the end of next week, those levels will be really tight and we will likely have closed above or below one of those levels by that point in time. PCLN on the weekly time frame, still the potential for the bear flag and still the potential to completely negate the bear flag with a close over the middle Bollinger Band. So tomorrow's a pretty important day. SPY has an inside bar on the daily time frame. We'll watch to see the correlation there. But overall, just patiently waiting. No trade on PCLN, in my opinion, where we stand. NVDA, big dump today. The bulls bought the dip. Bulls are buying the dips in this sector, in this name, all year. Look at this dump back here. Bulls bought it, and just like that, 2 days later, huge move up. So a bullish candlestick filling the gap back down. Now we have a gap back up. 184.21 is that gap. And the bulls need to break the high of today tomorrow to be confident that our higher low is now established at 177.61. So that's a pretty strong close. That's a nice bullish candlestick. It is, however, a bearish reversal candlestick on the weekly. So we have to keep that in mind. But the daily time frame is what I would be paying attention to, looking for more details. And it's all about whether or not the bulls can follow through and confirm this candlestick tomorrow or not. Tesla on the daily time frame continues to pull back. We're looking for a bullish entry here as well and for a higher low to develop. But we don't have any signals, no bullish reversal candlesticks at this point. Support is down at 359.59, and the middle Bollinger Band support will come before that, potentially tomorrow in the low 360s if we continue to see weakness. No red flags in the volume, no increasing bear volume at this point. Weekly time frame, also a bearish reversal candlestick rejecting from upper Bollinger Band resistance. Middle Bollinger Band support has been holding time and time again, but it's all about a higher low on the daily, and ideally the bulls want to hold that 359.59 level. Netflix on the daily time frame, that's the break we were looking for. We knew there was a lack of resistance after the high of 186.50, high of yesterday. Again, it was just 190, the next resistance. So the bulls really felt that ease of movement today. And now we're at 189.95, pulling back just under that resistance. All-time high is 191.50. We're closing in on that level. Bulls are in full control, and this is a very strong tech name of higher lows and higher highs. The whole tech sector was weak today. Certainly not the case for Netflix. Weekly time frame for Netflix, 4 strong weeks in a row, and it's either all-time high or bust this week. And that's not true at all. If we don't hit the all-time high this week, we can hit it next week. And as long as the higher lows hold, the bulls are in full control. So 183.20 is the key support on the daily the bulls want to hold, and we're currently $5.50 above that level. CMG on the daily time frame, we might be going bullish on CMG soon. It's getting close. We're very, very tight. The lower highs need to break at 314.67 and 317.47. We do have a double bottom right around 395, 396. It's the weekly time frame that has me starting to believe these bulls. Because of the double bottom, because of the RSI coming off of oversold, the MACD is curling up. If we break 321.58, we will be looking for a double bottom and then a break of the lower high pattern and this oversold bounce to get going. And from these levels, we can see an easy 10%, which is why we're interested in CMG bulls if they can prove to us their strength, and it will be convincing if we can break 321.58. Have to be cautious in swing positions because bearish news can come out at any time. It's happened a lot in the history of CMG, and the media really loves it, and the stock media loves it, and the shorts love it. So that is a risk that swing traders take on CMG bullish at this point. So keeping that in mind, but watching very close for the daily lower high pattern to break, and tomorrow is going to give us some information heading into next week. I appreciate you watching. See you over the weekend. Have a great night.